How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check updates for the app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top you will see the search box. Over there type in the app name Instagram and then search for it. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option iPhone storage. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the apps. Head towards the app Instagram. Now, click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Solution 3. Uninstall the app and again reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete again. Once you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Instagram and then install it. By following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So, this is how you can easily fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.